What makes a strong salesperson and a strong team? Number one, to be a strong sales team, you have to have a strong leader. What does that mean? A leader that coaches and develops his people or her people and focuses on them and not on just the numbers. If you focus just on the numbers, if something goes wrong, you're going to be attacked by those numbers. But yes, numbers are important. That leader needs to definitely understand that these are people. They want to succeed. No salesperson goes into a job looking to fail. And if they start to fail, it hurts them mentally, financially, and causes a lot of stress. So when you have a strong leader that understands that can help them, coach them, grow them, that makes a huge success for a strong sales team. What makes a strong salesperson, from what I've observed, is fearlessness. What does that mean? That means they do what they need to do to get the job done, and they're assertive. A lot of salespeople are afraid to be assertive. I'm going to be too pushy. I'm going to be too aggressive. I used to think that, but that's all in your mind. But you have to have confidence in what you do. You have to believe in what you're doing and not just pushing at products. Another thing that makes a strong salesperson is understanding who they're calling, who they're talking to. Do you understand their business? I would train salespeople and I would say, one thing you got to understand is, what does that prospect do? What is their product? How do we help them? Understanding what problems that company is having and how your solution can solve those problems. And that's the key thing. It's not about just selling them some widget. It's about understanding their problems, asking the right questions, and make them understand that you care about their business and you understand their business and you can provide a solution. We talk about value proposition, which is extremely important in that conversation. But the first is really understanding. That salesperson has to understand what they're doing, they're calling, and be consistent. Be calling, talking, and doing this every day and have a plan. Some of the best salespeople I've seen, you look at their calendar and their entire day is blocked out. Prospecting calls, emails, closes, appointments, it's all laid out. If you don't plan your time, you won't do anything because you'll never get to it. So I think are the two key things, and a positive attitude. I mean, that's always been me. I've been a huge positive person, reading books and listening to positive motivation people because that does help.